Work great or fail for Trumsey portable built-in 2.5K cam car stereo, front and back loop recording, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, HD rear camera, Bluetooth audio head unit, 64 gigabit card. Car radio receiver. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Click link in YouTube description for more information, reviews and others. Portable car audio receiver. The dashboard car stereo support wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. After connecting the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can access your smartphone functions such as play music, map navigation, voicemail, calls, notification, messages and more via voice control. Safe driving and HD loop recording. This touchscreen dashcam supports split screen. When you are reversing, the front view and rear view images can be displayed on the screen at the same time, which is more safe and effective. The package contains a 64 gigabit TF card, both front and rear cameras support video recording, and the front camera supports angle adjustment. Stable Bluetooth and FM transmission. When connected to your mobile phone via Bluetooth, you can answer/make hands-free calls, play music and control smoothly without distraction. This car dashcam's HD video recording has built-in speaker, but if you want louder sound, you can transfer it to your car's speakers. By FM radio transmitter, you can set the same FM radio channel on the unit and your car's radio. Car stereo with HD IPS touch screen. The 9.3-inch high-definition touch IPS screen with 1600x600 resolution and 178 degrees full viewing angle. The rectangular screen design can better reduce the obstruction of the line of sight. The shape is also more beautiful and fashionable, which conforms to the aesthetics of modern people. Easy installation and fit for various cars. This car HD DVR is easy to use and you don't need to disassemble the car, just install it on the dashboard and keep your car original. With 7 to 32 volt voltage, which can fit all different cars, like campers, RVs, trucks, and vans. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews. Helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.